Hello friends, what's up? This is Bharat Ahuja and you are on Divit Tech. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you get notified about my future videos. So today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, share your comment and share this video with your friends. So let's see what comes out of the magic box today. So today we are going to review the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Recently Samsung has launched the Galaxy S20 5G, the S20 Plus 5G and the S20 Ultra 5G, and this, as you can see, is S20 Ultra 5G. So when you order, you can get this in a 120GB variant and a 512GB variant, and it supports 5G connectivity. In the package, when you order, you can get the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, which is this. It has a 108 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel camera and a 48 megapixel camera. It supports 100x zoom. It has a 5000 mAh battery. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So that's Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. This is a cosmic black color. This comes in a cosmic grey, a cloud blue, a cosmic black. So that's the phone. Let's see what else do we have in the box. So that's the fast charger. The brick, it has USB-C port. They call it the super fast charging. An empty box that looks like the cable. So that's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Then we have the headphones, some extra earbuds, the headphones with USB-C port. The sound is supported by AKG. That's pretty much it. So it has a volume rocker, a button here, and nothing else. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I think there's something in here. So that's in the cover. So you have the SIM tray pin and a quick start guide. The SIM tray is on the top. The moment you press the SIM tray button, it shows you that the SIM tray is out. It has a memory card slot. You can put the SIM card and a memory card. This has a 108 megapixel camera, a 100x zoom. They call it 100x space zoom. It has the Samsung brand name at the back. This phone is manufactured in Korea. It has 5000 mAh battery. This is the first ever phone to support 120Hz of refresh rate ever produced by Samsung. The display goes up to 1440 pixel, but if you want to have that 120 refresh rate, you have to drop the display to 1080p. The screen size is 6.9 inch. This phone has a Snapdragon 865 processor. So if you click, you have read and agree to the conditions. You have to agree to let this device send info to Samsung. You cannot agree to the conditions without having to select this option. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, it installs some updates, and then once you're done with the update, this brings you to the next screen, which is copy the data, which I don't want to copy right now. So as we can see, there are no side spilling displays. So you have this fingerprint supported by Knox. So Samsung did not ship a case with it. So you can connect to Samsung Pay, Samsung Cloud, Bixby, Galaxy Themes, Spotify, Samsung Pass, Samsung Health, Galaxy Store. You have your secure folder and all those features from Samsung. So that's the display. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So let's compare the Samsung S20 Ultra 5G with the iPhone Pro Max. So both of them with their full brightness. You may not be able to see it because my video is recording at 1080p, but I can definitely feel the difference. The Samsung has a much better display than iPhone. So that's Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. It has this camera with 108 megapixel, and it has a telephoto camera of 12 megapixel and another camera of 48 megapixel. So this device has 12 GB of RAM. As you can see, it's 5.1 GB RAM it's currently using and 5.2 is available. I have a choice to clean my RAM. It can free up some memory. And after cleaning, it's still using 3.8 GB of RAM and it has 6.5 gigs available. It has a front facing camera which is hidden in a black background here. So if we choose a wallpaper with white background, so that's the bright mode, home screen. So I'm going to click a few pictures with this, record a few videos. I'm going to check the battery usage and I'm going to record another video with my reviews on it. So that's my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Once again, it has 108 megapixel camera, 5000 mAh battery, 120 Hz of refresh rate, 1440 pixel display, 6.9 inch screen, sells for $1849 plus taxes in Canada, supports 5G. This one has 12 gigs of RAM, but it also comes with 16 gigs of RAM. It has a memory card slot, and that's pretty much it. If you're looking to buy this product, I have given the product link in the video description. So please use that link so that I can get some affiliate reference from Amazon. So question of the day, how did you find this? Let me know your feedback. If this video was exceeding your expectation, met your expectation, or was it below expectation? And please feel free to share your feedback and comment for my future improvements. Hope to see you again in my next video. Till then, goodbye.